Services is our gateway to the passenger. We put into service each day 35,000 vehicles in over 40 countries around the world. 16,000 dedicated, highly skilled people focused on delivering the highest service to our clients. Our green technology is transforming our carbon footprint.
At Alstom Services, we provide digital tools and expertise to optimize maintenance. Our objective is to take care of the customer, ensure maximum performances, and extend the life of our system even further.
In our digital services portfolio, Health Hub is our maintenance data solution. It monitors the health of rolling stock and infrastructure and signaling.